Hey, how come I'm upside down? Come on, you guys. There we go. I'm right side up. And now I'm recording. Okay. Hi, everyone. Just doing a little test flight here with my... Well, it's not really a test flight. Going out to fly. Gonna have a little bit of fun. I'm back out here at Innisfree, Alberta. And if you remember, if you watched all my videos, there was one where a long time ago I was at a gas station overlooking a lake, and I actually wanted to fly around the island. And there's the island, and you can see it. And I wanted to fly all the way around it. And the issue I had at the time was I was at the gas station, which is on the other side of me here, if we swing it around. Over there somewhere on the hill. And if we zoom in on that, you can see it a little better. So we were, oh, hang on, where's the gas station? That's there somewhere. Yeah, somewhere over there. Anyway, that's where we were. And we wanted to actually go fly around the island, which is out there. And I'll zoom back so we can get zoomed out all the way, so you can actually kind of see the distance. Now, I don't know how far this thing will travel, but it is a little bit windy. We do have a crosswind here, so we'll give it a whirl anyway. This sucker boogies a little faster than the Mini, so we'll see if it'll get all the way out there. Oh, it's saying something. I didn't see what it said there. Let's go back here and see what the heck it was. Okay, I don't know what why it was giving me a beeping noise. Okay, that picture didn't look like it changed much, even though I'm a whole bunch closer. Well, looks like we still got full bars. GPS is good. Oh, now we're losing signal a little bit. So it's a little ways away. I don't think I'm gonna make it all the way over there without losing signals. Actually, no, it still says we're good. We'll try a little further. Okay. I can still see the birds, so we're at distance-wise 300 meters away. If we swing it around, we should be able to see me somewhere in the parking lot. I don't know if I can see me. No, should be able to though. Why the heck? Anyway, let's be daring. Distance 280 or 98 meters. We'll fly it a little bit further and see if we can get all the way out there. Well, we're still quite a ways away from that. By the looks of it, it's further than what it appears. Well, I can no longer see the bird, but it says it's 601 meters away. I'm going to keep on flying, see if we can get a little closer. Awful windy out there. Okay, well, we are a whole bunch closer, so if I swing that puppy around a bit, we can see we got a little bit of distance between me and the bird. 800 meters, so that'll be roughly around 2,400 feet. So anyway, if we go a little bit higher, gain a little bit of elevation, there we go, up 40 meters, and we'll go a little bit further forward. And gotta watch my power here too. Bringing the gimbal down a little bit. So, yeah, we're actually out at that island now. That's quite a ways out. We'll keep going a little bit further. We are now 1,100 meters out, or about 3,300 feet. And we should be over the island, or very close to it. Yeah, there it is. And we'll go a little bit further that way. Oh, extensive distance. Yeah, virtual line of sight, yeah. Ah, that's amazing. There's some trails on there, on the island. That's kind of neat to see. And probably some animals on there. Okay, I'm actually going to fly this thing back towards me now, since we've got excessive distance. And we'll bring her back. That was 1,250 feet. Oh. Barking, what? Something was barking. Just come back to me, baby. Yeah, she's getting closer. Don't see her yet, but I'm going to hit the return to home button.
Go home.
And it should bring us right back to here. And we'll see how that works. Air, flight distance, yeah. Okay, I don't see it coming home here. Oh, it is coming. Just don't see it. I just hope it doesn't go down on top of the lake, because I can't go out there. That's too dangerous. We're at 1,800 feet away now. We should be getting closer. Okay. Don't see it, but it says it's coming home. So hopefully we're at 400 meters, no, 450 meters. So that's 1,000 feet out yet. Oh, and I see her coming. And there it is. It's a coming back slowly. Yeah. We'll see if we're making landfall here. We got a little bit of crosswind, so it's fighting it a little bit. But she is a coming home, and that's a good thing. The only thing that annoys me is that darn beeping. Apparently it's doing excessive braking for some reason. Why would it be stopping? It's not hitting anything. That's weird. I actually see it, and of course you can see me now. And it's like stopping in midair and then continuing on. Okay, now it's right overhead, and you can see it coming down slowly.
Landing.
Yeah, just don't land on me. Oh, she's coming straight in, guys. Beautiful. Right where she's supposed to be coming. Why is it still beeping at me like crazy? Oh, it's because that wind is just going like crazy. Proximity sensors. Man, that wind picked up. But anyway, yeah, beep beep. Oh, we'll land it anyway. Yes, you can land.
Landing.
Happy. Whenever we have a landing, we're always good. And it's all in one piece. Apparently there's magnetic interference is what the problem is. So I'm going to have to take a look into that. Check app. I wonder if there's something wrong with my phone. No, I don't know. Anyway, let's close that out. And that's her. Thanks all for watching. We did get out to the island, and that's quite a distance away, and brought it all the way back. And we got some magnetic interference to figure out. But mission accomplished. And hang on, I was going to say, can I gimbal that? There I are. Okay. Anyway, bye for now. Take care, all. See you on the next one.